All right, here's the DataAxle lead searching and filtering training here. Here we go. All right, so once you get logged in with the card number and password that you'll have in your appointment setting training kit, you'll use that to get logged in. There's a card number and a password. Otherwise, if you don't have this, reach out to your sales manager and they'll get you taken care of so that you can get logged in. Once you key that in, the card number and the password, you wind up at this page right here. You're always going to go right here under available databases to US businesses. You're going to go ahead and click. This right here is going to pop up a quick search. So this right here is great for if you're out in the field and you walk by a business. Say you walk by a business that looks like a place you want to go and sell. Go to the internet, look up their information, find the business. We'll use Christie's Donuts as a sample here. You can tell that they're in Fullerton. You've got their address. So what you're going to go ahead and do is go back to the search here, put in Christie's Donuts, put in the city, put in the state. And the way you know that is because right here on Google, you've got the city, the state, and the address. So you're going to go back to this page, quick search, and view results. This right here is going to pull up the person's information to this business. So you can see here, you've got Christie's Donuts, you've got the owner's name, Mang Tao, you've got the address, and you got the phone number. So that gives you everything you need to reach out and set up an in-person appointment. So now we're going to go back to the main screen and log back in here to the list. It's going to bring you right back to quick search. We're going to do this different now. This is so that you can pull up a list of every business that we're after in a city of a state. So you're going to go ahead and click right here, advanced search. Let that load. Then once you get here, just follow these instructions and you'll get a perfect list with less businesses that don't have a number or aren't the type of business we want to search. You can go and search everything in a city and state from right here, from this quick search, but it doesn't filter any of the businesses. So there's ATMs, all types of stuff you don't need, types of businesses that we're not after. So if you're just in a rush and you want to just get to going, nothing's going to stop you from calling. You can always just go from quick search and put the city and state in. But the way that you want to do this so that you're not wasting time calling businesses that aren't going to get you anywhere, when you click on advanced search, you're going to come up right here and you're going to have under US businesses database, you're going to have a whole bunch of different things you can set to filter by. So right here, we'll go ahead and scroll down. We'll go to executive title. Actually, for this training, everything will be good because most businesses will have who you're looking for, and you can use that person if they're not the decision maker to get the decision maker on the phone. So we're going to go ahead and go down here. First thing we're going to do is check business phone. We want to have businesses, only businesses with a valid phone. So we're going to check that box. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down here. So here's phone where we just did business phone. Now we're going down to ownership. We want to make sure we're calling the public private company or the headquarter and branch. So click both those. Then it's going to pop this box up where you're going to want to click headquarter and single location. Then once we get that done, we're going to scroll down even further. And exclusions, you're going to click omit ATM and kiosk. You don't need to call any of those. Those are just giving it's registering ATMs as businesses with their address. So here we go. That's how we're going to filter this list. Now that we have everything we wanted to set, we're going to go ahead and click on city and state. Once you do that, it pops up the search bar and the search box. You're going to go ahead and put Fullerton. We'll use Fullerton, California as the sample here. We're going to go ahead and click go. It'll pull up all the Fullertons in the US. We're going to click Fullerton, California. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll up to view results. So this just gave us a list of all the businesses that we want to reach out to in Fullerton, California. What you'll do now is you'll just call your way through each list. So this page has all these businesses you call through. Then when you get to the bottom, the last business, go ahead and click the arrow forward to move you to the next page. Just make sure when you're calling to keep track of where you leave off. And you'll use Privy CRM to schedule anything that's an appointment you set or an interested follow-up to reach out to. Again, it'll be your scheduling tool and your appointment tool, tracking tool. So now that we've got this done, we're going to go ahead and go back to the main page here. And we're going to go to US businesses again. And we're going to go to advanced search. This right here is going to be a training on how to use this to find businesses right next to your customers you have so that you can reach out to all the businesses around them. It's a great way to say, hey, you know, when you're cold calling, hey, this is, this is Bo. I'm reaching out to you because right around the corner here, Christie's Donuts, that's our customer. They're really happy with our service. And I wanted to reach out to you because our office is already going to be calling you, probably already has, but we're already helping them out. And we want to help you out because you're right next door and they can verify and, let you know that we're the real deal and we're going to help you out. But the way we're going to do this is we're going to go and we're going to do the same thing we did. So we filter a good list around that business. We're going to go right here and we're going to go to business phone. We're going to do only businesses with valid phone number. We're going to click headquarter branch and make sure we click headquarter and single location. Then we're going to scroll down even more. And we're going to do the exclusion of ATM and kiosk. So now that we have that done, we're going to scroll back up here. And instead of doing city and state, we're going to click on map-based search. Now it's going to pop this up and you're going to click open map. Now that you're in the map, go ahead and click to your information of the business that you're, so say Christie's Donuts, your customer, you've got their address right here and you want to take care of all the neighbors around them and have their contact. You're just going to go back here to DataAxle and put the address in 326 North Euclid Street, Fullerton, California. Then you're going to go ahead and click go. So now this just pulled up this business, Christie's Donuts. That's right here with the blue symbol. Now let's zoom in here and see what we've got. So there's different views as well. So you can look up here in the right. You've got street view, which we're on. You've got a satellite view. And then you've got a hybrid view. And then you've got a terrain. So street view works perfect. But if you want to do it by hybrid, that works as well. So we're going to go ahead and we see that Christie's Donuts is right here. So what we're going to do is we want to call the neighbors that are right around Christie's. So you're going to come up here, you're going to click draw shape, and you're going to click where you want to start. So we'll start right here. Drag your line, it automatically stays attached, and then until you click again. Then you're going to go ahead and drag it, click it again, then drag it and click it again. And to stop dragging the tool, double click and it'll turn yellow just like that. Then what you want to do is you want to take your mouse and you want to click right here to view the results. Click OK. Bear with me here. Then we're going to, excuse me, so we click, don't click right here, you'll click done. Now that we have that saved, now we're going to go up to the upper right hand corner and click view results. Now we see right here all the businesses that are on that same block as Christie's Donuts. And the amazing thing here too is most every business on this list in this database is on every lead list that people purchase. So this is the real list of all information, and you've got 90% of businesses owners names. So you could see right here, here's Christie's Donuts. You've got Cigarette Depot, Rafik, Dry Clean, Hong, Fullerton, LG Repair, Alexa, G&D Liquor. You've got everything right here that you could imagine to call. Another thing here is if this isn't enough business that you're looking for next to your customer, you're trying to find all the neighboring businesses, click back. And then you're going to go to map-based search again, excuse me. Unclick it to click it again so it lets you redo a map. Open it. And then this time, you're going to do a bigger search. So we're going to zoom out. Let's zoom out. And then we're going to delete the list that we already searched right here. And then we're going to go back and grab draw shape. And let's go ahead this time and make a way bigger box. Click, drag, click, drag, click, click, double click to get out of the drag, and then go ahead and click done. Once your box is yellow, there's 99 results now instead of 15 because you just opened up a bigger radius. Done. Once you do that, it'll pop you back here and click the green view results button. And then there you go. Now you've got 99 more businesses to call. And so that is our sales training on how to generate lists to telemarket for appointment setting or to set up for appointments around your current customers or current leads. We're good. Lucy, I'll call you back later. Thank you.